you. So now let's see the overview of the car. This is the howo. The horsepower is 380 horsepower and diesel fuel. V-Check engine. You can see the tire. Oh, this is 315 ATR
22.5
tubeless tire. Let's see the cabin.
mechanical.
This is a mechanical driving seat. AC inside. For the also have one sleeping room, one sleeping bed. So this is a hydraulic oil tank, and the special one is this. This is the hydraulic cylinder and the front lifting. We can see the cargo box. 5.6 the length, and this is the fuel tank, 300 liter. All the side lights you can see have the protection. The real light, the tail light also with the protection. The rear bumper is very strong, and this is the hook for open the door. You can see the box. This is the structure, the square structure. Square shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is totally 12 layers. It's for the heavy duty dump truck. And you can see this is the anti-stolen. It's a good design. And this is a 2-stage lift. It's very comfortable to go to the cabin room for the co-drive. And all the lights have the protection equipment. So thank you for watching.
If you did